Welcome to the Backcountry Health Rehab Video Library. Today we're going to be going over our version of the McKenzie Extension Protocols.
McKenzie Extension Protocol movements, as the name implies, are extension-based movements that can help improve pain and range of motion for a number of low back-related conditions. Start with the Sphinx position by lying flat on your stomach with your shoulders propped up directly over your elbows. Use this position to calm acute low back pain by taking deep breaths and focusing on relaxing your back muscles in the position. Hold the position for as long as necessary while breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. If this feels good, you can progress the movement by going to the Cobra position. Unlike a typical Cobra movement, continue to focus on keeping your low back muscles relaxed, using only the muscles in your chest and arms to extend into the Cobra position. Making sure to only go through your pain-free range of motion, you can press yourself up until your elbows are locked with arms straight, and then slowly lower back down to the floor. Move slowly to avoid activating the back muscles, take slow deep breaths, and continuously check in to see if your back muscles remain relaxed. You'll often be able to release additional tension by focusing on your back and taking a deep breath. Repeat for the prescribed number of repetitions.